What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are currently at the Independence Monument all the way in Togo for the Grand Tour de Lome Motorsports event. This event unites motorsports lovers across Africa for some fun and adventure. Yesterday we did the rally around the streets of Togo, and guys, we saw some crazy bikes and some cars. If you've not seen that video, click up here to check it out. So today in this video you are going to see races, some stunt show, some motorbike races as well. So guys, you don't want to miss this one. If this is your first time, help me grow the channel by subscribing, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this video. So I'm not going to make this intro too long. Let's jump right into the video. You know what time it is, guys. We are back and the event is about to start. Let me show you some of the cars that will be competing today. So this is the representative for Ghana, and he's in his Mercedes C43 AMG, and that's Adam Gilles E46. Mon frère. So this is his machine. Look at the engine. The interior. So here we have the X6. Very sweet machine. So guys, we are here with your name, please.
Yeah, I'm Dodo, and we are in Lome right now. We are with bikers from all over West Africa. We are doing the Grand Tour of Lome. This is the performance tour. This has been a 3-day event. This is the last day. See, today we are going to have racing cars, racing bikes, and a lot of fun. Stunt show, a drift show, and all that. So stay tuned.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's a very good friend of mine, so follow him on Instagram.
He's a very good guy. Very good guy.
Yeah, so
all the way from Ghana. He came to represent, so that's very nice. Yeah.
All right. So we'll see you at the other side.
Yes.
Bye.
Ciao.
So some of the hybrid bikers just arrived, and let me take you to the other side where the bikers have parked their bikes. So this is the parking spot for the small CC bikes. As you can see, small. One thing I've noticed about Togo small bikes is they to, you know, add some twist to their bikes, and it makes them very unique. You don't often see stuff like that in Ghana. And over at the other side, that's where the performance, the big CC bikes, this is where they will be parking. Not all of them are here, but this is just a few. I don't know if you can still hear me though, but anyway, if you can't hear me, I'll do a voiceover. So these are some of the bikes, and majority of them came from, these ones they came from Côte d'Ivoire. I'm pretty sure they came from Côte d'Ivoire. Yeah. So the bikers we just saw, who are they?
They are Boza people.
Boza people.
And they do stunts and other crazy stuff.
Understand a word of what they are saying, but this is very intense. So guys, the small CC bikes, the race is about to begin. and as you can see, they are lining up.
Ça va chauffer.
So guys, the second race is about to begin between the small CC bikers, and it has begun. So they'll be coming through shortly. I'm really enjoying myself. I hope you are too. If you are, help me grow the channel by subscribing if you haven't already. Leave a comment, let me know which part was your favorite, and yeah, let's keep watching. So guys, that's the end of the race for the small CC bikes. Unfortunately, this biker couldn't finish. He had some issues with his bike. Now is the time of the big CC bikes. They will just be doing a run. They won't be racing. So stay tuned, stay tuned. Let me know if you recognize anyone in the video. So guys, the CLA 45 is about to go for a run with the they are moving the Camaro. What's the driver's name? Alexandre. And Nikita is about to go for a run as well. The man Pima. So they just went for their test run.